USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about the dollar against the yen. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links which says free Telegram channel and proper. So go and check them out, join my free Telegram. And the one which I want to talk about is this monthly membership. So in case you want maximum benefit from your Forex and gold trading, then you can go and check out the benefits on this page and join the membership after that. And coming back to this USDJPY, let's start with the weekly top-down approach. In weekly, we are down, and I think these two candles were pullback only, and now we are going to continue the downtrend. But more confirmation coming from Delhi. So in Delhi, we had, because last 2 weeks before this week, before this week, which is going to end tomorrow, the last 2 weeks were up. So dollar was going up. You can see week 1 and then week 2. Okay. So we made a short-term uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, uptrend. But now I think we are starting a new downtrend. Okay. So maybe new downtrend, then pullback, and then we should go down again. Okay. This is the daily chart. Coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour, we can see we broke the EMA, but you can see we are into the downtrend. So this is a downtrend, then this could merely act as a pullback. Two scenarios in 4 hour, okay. In 4 hour, we can either continue the uptrend or we can continue the downtrend, okay. So when should you enter buy? When should you enter sell? It depends on the trend. The higher time frames are still, down. So daily is down and weekly is down. So I would say look for shorts only. Okay. And by looking at the 4 chart, I clearly can see here when to enter sell in 4 hour. But not going to tell you for free because people don't appreciate the work or people don't value what they get for free. Okay. I have been doing this for free since last maybe 2 weeks. And I can tell you 90% people don't appreciate the free value or free work. Now, 10% do. 10% people appreciate, 90% don't, okay? So I will not tell you. So it's visible to my eye right now. If in 4 hour, I know clearly when to enter sell, when to enter buy. I can see it, okay? I'm not going to tell you verbally. If you want to know something for free, then dream only, okay? So anyways, when you don't care about people, people don't care about you. That's how people will treat you online or offline in your personal life too, okay? So trend is down, look for sells. That's what everybody tells you, and that's what I'm going to tell you as well now, okay? So yeah, if you want some live action, then make sure you join the monthly membership in which I will give you entry signals and exit signals and everything and with my swing trades and everything. So go and join my monthly membership because for now, what you see is available on the internet. Everybody tells the same thing, trend is up, look for buys, trend is down, look for sales. I have tried to give you much more value worth for thousands of dollars, but my experience tells me that 90% people who get free content are not, grateful for the content, and 10% are. So it's okay. Well, the time will tell who needs my knowledge, who don't, okay? And you have to understand one thing. When somebody comes and reports these YouTube videos, they are not doing this for themselves, okay? I do not have to teach myself. These videos are not for myself, okay? I know already my analysis, okay? So if you are, if you're watching this for free, subscribe, like, and if you want some premium benefits, go and join the monthly membership. In the free, I have, you go and watch my 50 videos in the last 2 weeks, and you will understand that, I have been telling you everything for free in last 15 days, okay? Anyways, so long story short, trend is down. Go and look for sell opportunities. I can clearly see when to enter sell in 4 hour. It's not a problem. I will treat you the way you treat me. And if you want some value or if you want some exit entry signals, go and join my premium membership. Pay me the money. Let's put it this way. You don't value free work, I'll make it paid. Subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in my next analysis. Till then, best of luck.